Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Morning guys, it's Friday, so starting the morning off with some thunderstorms. So yeah, but I'm getting severe weather this weekend, so yeah. But hopefully it doesn't flood our house. So yeah. So starting the morning off. So we'll probably do the vlog today and then do the weekend vlog tomorrow and Sunday, so yeah. So I'm having a hibachi boy, I'm having spicy tuna roll, some rice, and one crab legume. So let's eat. Alright guys, so I'm still relaxing in bed, so probably gonna get another storm later tonight, so yeah. But right now we're under flood watch for all South Central Kansas, including Central County, and also part of Western Kansas and Central Kansas and Eastern Kansas. So we're under a flood watch. So yeah, because even though we're getting lots of rain, so yeah. But I believe we're gonna get some severe weather too, hopefully. So yeah. But right now we're in a year into the pandemic here. So yeah, that is where COVID starts. So yeah, if you guys saw it on last year's vlog, we did ruin our plans because of COVID. So yeah. But on that note, guys, I gotta go ahead and end this vlog. So I gotta go ahead and start a weekend vlog, and yeah. But anyway, today's vlog is kind of short, so you get the idea. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, as all adventures right to be. And thanks for watching. Please bye bye. I'm Trina Miller 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Miller 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.